Hello, I'm also from the Filipino Times. This question is for Dingdong Dantes and Marian Rivera. Dingdong, sabi mo, you wanna take your life with Marian a step further. So my question is, ilang anak ang gusto nyo and how do you see your showbiz career going further after the marriage?
Kahit ako para sa akin kahit ilan kasi alam naman natin na having children is a blessing always. Hindi naman natin napipredict yan. Basta ako importante meron, di ba? So regardless kung ilan, okay lang. Tapos yung pangalawang tanong ko, ano ulit yun?
How do you see your showbiz career going further after the marriage?
Oh, definitely, tuloy-tuloy po yan. Tuloy-tuloy po kami. Hindi naman magiging reason ang marriage or anything para mawala yung interest namin doon sa aming job, which we love very much. Actually, all the more pa nga kami magaganahan because, we have a family right now. That's why we will be more, excited and inspired to do other things.
What about Marian?
Ilang anak? Hanggang kaya ko.
And that is how many?
Yun yung katotohanan. Well, sabi nga ni Dong, hindi mo naman talaga mapipredict kung ilan ang ibibigay sa'yo ng Panginoon. So, ako kasi solong anak. So, hanggat kaya ko, mas masaya, mas madami, mas masaya para sa akin. At dun sa showbiz career naman, mahal kong pagiging artista eh. Maraming nangyari sa buhay ko na hindi lang dahil makilala o makaipon. Siguro maraming, ang importante sa pagiging artista, yung minatatatch kang buhay ng tao at nang dahil sa'yo naging inspirasyon ka nila. At yun ang hindi ko aalisin sa estilo ng buhay ko. At the same time, hindi ko alam siguro pag nabuntis ako, yun yung isa sa mga paraan na baka pwedeng magpahinga. Pero pwede pa rin akong acting, half body lang ang kukunan. Kasi pwede yun So hanggang kaya ko, kung sakali mang mabubuntis ako, hindi ko din alam kung anong condition meron ako. So, pinapipray ko na just in case mabuntis ako, hindi mahirap para sa akin. Pero at least, dire-diretso pa rin ang trabaho ko.
Okay, congrats and best wishes.
Thank you.
This question is for Ms. Karen Remo. So, Ms. Remo, how did you convince, first off, bakit sila yung napili nyo for Philippine Pavilion? And how did you convince them to come home?
Hello. The first question is, why did we choose them? Because we would like to be very proud of who we are as Filipinos, and we believe that they definitely